Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be decluttering, cleaning, and packing all of my kids' toys. You guys, I fit every single toy into 2 bins. Let's go ahead and get this party started, guys. Thank you for being here. You guys, it was so stinking hard to even start this process. My 2 littles do not have that many toys. I mean, these are the toys. You guys can see them. There's not too many of them. But to make sure that they all fit in 2 bins was so hard. I don't think that I have encountered something like this in a very long time. And it wasn't hard in terms of getting rid of the toys. It was hard in terms of what toys are they going to play with for ages and stages, and how am I going to make every single one of them fit in 2 bins. I'm laughing so hard because it looks like the socks on my feet are just my feet. They're nude socks, guys. So since this is a how-to video, I'm going to let you guys know what I am doing and how I went about packing my kids' toys. First of all, I dumped everything out of the bin, and then I separated everything into piles. So like cars, Nerf guns, I forgot what those things are called. The word is Transformers. Anyways, so I separated every single thing into a pile and made sure that every toy that was in that pile was something that Daishu is going to play with. So that is what I am doing here, and then you will see me slowly make sure every single thing fits into that bin. I'm actually really lucky because my 2 littles are 11 and about to be 10, and they really do play with very, very similar toys. So it was easier for me to decide which ones could go in Daishu's bin and which one could go in Ellie's bin, even though they were really, truly interchangeable toys that they both actually play with.
Don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow there hanging
I did the exact same thing with all of Ellie's toys. However, Ellie had a lot more toys in terms of ages and stages, like I said before. So we had to go through her toys multiple times to make sure that we are not taking anything with us from our home here on the West Coast to our home on the East Coast that she is not going to play with. I needed to make sure that we could get everything out of her bin that is no longer for her age in life. She is 11 and she no longer needs some of the toys that you guys will see me pushing off onto the side. You'll also notice I struggled a lot more with her toys than I did with Day's toys, and that's just because girls are always more complicated than boys. I also wanted to let you guys know that yes, it is about 2 months until we will be leaving. However, I did leave out some toys that my kids actively play with that way for the next 2 months. And while we're waiting for our build, they will be able to access toys, just not these specific toys. So that's another reason why it was a little bit more complicated to pack their toys than I had initially thought. But we made it. And I am super proud of myself, and the kids are really excited to open up these boxes soon and get to play with them like they would have if we were not moving. And voila, guys, every single toy that we are taking with us has been packed into 2 bins. I am so excited. Look at this, you guys. What a closet. I'm amazed. This is what the rest of the room looks like. Yes, I'll be getting to it in a future video. So stick around if you want to see that. Thank you guys for watching. Bye now.